Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Ledger stacks in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies, you know that security is key, and moving your XRP to a hardware wallet like Ledger Stacks is a smart move to protect your assets from online threats. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any slip-ups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with some XRP in it, and your Ledger Stacks device should be fully connected and updated to the latest firmware. If you haven't already, download the Ledger Live app on your computer or phone. It's your gateway to managing your hardware wallet. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your dashboard and find the XRP wallet. Once you're there, click on the Send or Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens, but don't rush, accuracy is crucial. Next, on your Ledger Stacks, open the XRP app by connecting it to your device via USB and using Ledger Live. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section, select XRP, and copy the receiving address. It's that long string of letters and numbers, make sure you get it right. Paste this address into the To field in Coinbase. Now, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, Coinbase might charge a small network fee, so check that before confirming. Double-check the address and amount to prevent any errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Hit Send, and confirm the transaction with your Coinbase authentication method, like 2FA. Once you've initiated the transfer, head back to Ledger Live and keep an eye on your XRP balance. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transaction to process, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully moved your XRP to a safer spot. Transferring crypto might seem intimidating at first, but with these steps, you're good to go. Always prioritize security, and if you run into any issues, reach out to Coinbase or Ledger support. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.